Studio headphones. And what is the difference in consumer headphones and studio headphones? So, consumer headphones and earphones are often tuned to emphasize certain frequencies for casual listeners. They typically have raised highs and lows for you to better appreciate your favorite songs. While they can work for some, but definitely not for music production, where you need to hear every part as transparently as possible to make correct adjustment when mixing. In home studio, you will often use the same headphones for both recording and mixing. This is the reason why studio headphones are categorized differently and are highly recommended for those who are into recording and producing music. So there are majorly three type of studio microphones used, which are number 1, closed back headphones, number 2, open back headphones, and number 3, semi open back headphones. And every type has its own thing and uses. So number 1, closed back headphones, the most common type used in studios. The reason is simple. Its solid ear cups prevents sound from leaking out, and it also isolates the listener from outside sound. This makes it perfect for vocalists and musicians who record while listening to a guide track in the studio, reducing the risk of sound leaking into the microphone. Finally, it can be used when listening in area where noise is unavoidable, like when you are on a busy studio, in a commuter train, flight, and many more. More importantly, due to their lack of natural space and room acoustic, the resulting sound can sometimes be dry or too raw sounding, which after listening in for some time can cause ear fatigue. This is the reason why musicians and sound engineers are advised to have a break when working on a project to rest their ears. All in all, the closed back headphones are a valuable addition to any studio. It is imperative to at least have one of these handy before you get the other two types. Let's look at some of the best closed back headphones available in the market. Few of my favorites are Audio Technica ATH M50X. Still one of the best pair of all-round headphones money can buy. It has a frequency response of 15 Hz to 28,000 Hz, impedance of 38 ohms, which has a 45 large magnetic driver type, and they are a firm favorite due to a combination of comfort and great sound that doesn't compromise tonal accuracy. Then you have Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro, having high-end cans with multiple impedance model to suit all taste, having frequency response of 5 Hz to 35,000 Hz, an impedance of 3280 and 280 ohms. They have the dynamic type of drivers. Thanks to their velour padding, these are properly comfy cans, which should make those long studio session a pleasure. Then we have Focal Listen Professional. These mid-priced closed-back headphones are great all-rounders. Focal has transplanted its talent for high-quality audio from in front of your face to the side of your head while remarkable aplomb. An ideal mid-range solution for both general day-to-day listening and pro studio tasks. The Focal Listen Professional are the very definition of great all-rounders, and has a frequency response of 5 Hz to 22,000 Hz with the impedance of 32 ohms, and driver type is 40 Mylar titanium. Moving ahead with Sennheiser SD280 Pro, which is rugged, reliable, and still a firm favorite for professional monitoring, which has a frequency response of 8 Hz to 25,000 Hz, an impedance of 64 ohms, with dynamic type driver. So all the model in Sennheiser's extensive headphones range, these evergreen studio centric cans stands out as a budget friendly favorite thanks to their long pedigree, rugged durability, and balanced sound. Second is open back headphones. As the name implies, these headphones have fully open ear can design with perforated metal serving as the cover. This opening allows outside sound to get to the listener, adding natural ambience which many find pleasing and easy on the ears. They also allow some of the sound to go out, including bass frequency, reducing some of the hardness and dryness that are associated with closed back headphones. Finally, this open back design also trends to be lighter, which can be great plus when wearing your headphone for a long time. Open back headphones provide a more natural sound stage, particularly because they don't artificially emphasize bass frequencies. For these reasons, when mixing and mastering is done on headphone, it's usually this type that is used. The downside is that because the leak sound, they are not suitable to use when recording, tracking, because sound leaks into live mics. So let's see few best open back headphones are. Number 1 is Sennheiser SD800S. The Sennheiser SD800S are the best open back headphones that we have tested. These well built headphones are an amazing choice for neutral sound. They are also impressive, comfortable, which means you won't feel fatigue after wearing them for a long period. Then you have Sennheiser SD600. Great critical listening headphones with a well balanced sound. They excel in the mid range and offers excellent clarity for vocal and instruments. Then you have Beyerdynamic DT990 Pro. If you are looking for more premium feeling open back headphone, try the Beyerdynamic DT990 Pro. Beyerdynamic are better built. They have a metal frame with high grade plastic ear cups and are more lightweight. Then you have Hi-Fi Man HE400i. Hi-Fi Man is one of the highest rated brand for open back headphones, and this product proves that. These full size headphones are equipped with amazing quality planar drivers that deliver a well balanced sound of 93 dB. You can also use them with your smartphone or other portable music players. The largely sized diaphragm delivers improved treble and bass. This pair is also highly comfortable to wear despite its big size. Then the third type of headphone is semi-open back headphones. It would be nice if semi-open headphones truly let you enjoy the best of both worlds, but technically they don't because they are literally open back headphones with partly opened can instead of having them fully opened. This means that they get some of the benefit of fully open back headphones while also reducing its unwanted effects, resulting in a sort of milder in between version. Still, they are in demand because they provide a good compromise for those who want some ambience in their headphone but do not want too much of it. Since sound still leaks from partly open ear cans, they won't meet the requirement for quiet recordings. Although they are sometimes used for recording vocals to give the singer a more natural sound to sing to. They can provide decent isolation when listening to music on the go, although not as good as closed back. Like open back headphones, you will need a quiet studio environment to enjoy its ambient sound when mixing and mastering. Some of the best semi-open back headphones are AKG K240. So with having overall clarity and build makes them of the best semi-open headphones for professional applications like mixing, mastering and playback. It has a frequency response of 15 Hz to 25,000 Hz and increased sensitivity to produce clean sound at high levels. The headphones have an over-ear design that fits nicely over the ears and come with a self-adjusting headband for optimal fit and pretty solid comfort for extended studio session or DJ sets. Then we have the Beyerdynamic DT880 Pro. which are another one of my favorite pairs of the best semi-open headphones for reference monitoring, mixing, mastering, or leisure listening in general. The semi-open design blend the strength of an open and closed ear headphones so that you may have the best of both worlds. The DT880 Pro has an impressive 5Hz to 35,000 Hz response, which spits out pretty solid detail at your highest highs or lowest bass key when monitoring multiple instruments. The Biodynamic also come with an incredible soft headband pad and ear cups to reduce uh, headband pressure to ensure optimal comfort for your long listening sessions. So more details and specification about the product, you can check out the link in the description below.